Good afternoon and welcome back to the Weather Centre. It's a clear, dry day over the eastern parts of South Africa, but it's very cold over the western half with a cold front passing over the Cape provinces as we speak. In a moment, we'll take a look at this morning's rainfall in the southwestern Cape. As is usually the case, a lot of the rain occurred near the mountains. 25 millimeters observed in Jonkershoek up till 8 o'clock today, 33 millimeters in Paarl and 34 millimeters at Kirstenbosch at the foot of Table Mountain. In contrast with that, much lower amounts along the Overberg coastline, 2 millimeters observed in Hermanus, the west coast 7 millimeters in Langebaan, and further inland Worcester only received 1 millimeter of rain. Now, as the front moves in an easterly direction, we can still expect a bit of light rain out of this cloud band, but a lot of the rain along the west and southwestern coastline has now cleared. Let's take a look at our latest rain forecast for the rest of the afternoon. A low risk of light rain over the southern part of the northern Cape, rain spreading to the eastern Cape this evening, and there remains a possibility of light snow on the mountain ranges in the western part of the province and even on the Swartberg mountain range in the Little Karoo today. This cold front also brings very strong winds to the southern and southeastern coastline, where wind speeds could reach gale force at times, and it will be a cold and windy afternoon over the western interior, while it's warm today in the Lowveld and KwaZulu-Natal. The South African Weather Service warns against high seas along the southwestern and southern coastline, where wave heights could exceed 6 meters today, and there's also a warning for gale force west to southwesterly winds, mainly along the eastern Cape coastline up to East London. Let's take a look at today's temperatures. Very cold over the southern interior with 7 degrees in Sutherland, George with a high of 14. It's still warm along the east coast with 24 in East London and 26 degrees in Durban, and a lovely hot afternoon in Bombela with a maximum of 29 degrees. The wind forecast shows moderate northwesterlies over the central parts of South Africa, strong winds over the western interior, and wind speeds reach gale force at times near Port Elizabeth. We're expecting a bit of rain along the east coast tomorrow, together with lower temperatures and cloudy conditions, but no further rain for the western and northern Cape. It will be a mainly dry weekend across South Africa, but cooler in Gauteng by Saturday. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your day.